Hi there, my name is Joachim. I'm a veterinarian specialist for bovine health management. Today I would like to talk about the high fertility cycle. What does it mean? The high fertility cycle describes a complex of insights we have gained in recent years around the fertility and the whole lactation cycle as a whole in general. What we understand today is that lactations shouldn't be too long. So we should try to get cows back in calf again rather early. So not longer than 120 days. Why? By achieving these rather short lactation cycles, we minimize the changes of body condition throughout the whole lactation cycle. In other words, cows don't get too fat in late lactation. They are not too fat in the transition period, which means they don't lose too much body condition after calving in the later stages of the transition period. And this minimizes the risk for metabolic health problems. This health cycle is indeed a high fertility cycle, because this will lead to better insemination results if those cows are not experiencing these metabolic problems. It is moreover quite useful because it will prevent metabolic diseases cows are likely to experience if the body condition changes are too dramatic, especially after calving. So, what should we do? Try to get cows back in calf again rather timely. Don't wait too long with first insemination. Try to get them back in calf at about 120 days latest. Monitor the body condition score of your cows throughout the lactation cycle, and of course take care that the cows are not experiencing metabolic health issues after calving. Thanks a lot, thanks for listening, and see you again.